Hello guys, and how are you today? My name is Madella and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. If you're not new here, well, welcome back. I was just about to film this and then my husband was like, the food is ready, and I was like, okay, bye. So I went and ate, and now my belly is happy. As you see in this title, today we're gonna try the new Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelashes. We're gonna talk about what this product is about. Does it work? How does it work, if it works? If you have a Facebook or an Instagram account and you're interested in beauty, you might have seen ads from different companies promoting this. However, they are quite pricey because it's kind of a new product, so whoever released it first, it's kind of like, hey, we own this or we invented this, and it kind of has like a high price tag. But the other day I went on Amazon, and this video is not sponsored, and I was like, okay, let me see what they have there. And then I saw this product, which is the Asavea Magnetic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit. What is it? So if you know the classic false eyelashes, they are supposed, on the band, you're supposed to put the glue there and then wait a couple of minutes for them to dry, and then apply that glue on the skin very close to your eyelash line. So that glue can be a little bit messy. Sometimes you don't have time to wait, sometimes it's hard to apply them, sometimes the inner part of the eyelashes, they don't stick that well, that glue doesn't resist too long there because of the shape of the eyelash is not enough curved maybe for your eyes. It can be a pain in the and that's why a lot of people are kind of intimidated to apply those false lashes. But now it's kind of like, hey, you skip one step, you just don't put the glue there, we're just gonna put magnets, like you're gonna stick the false lash to the eyeliner, and you're like, what? I think it's a great idea, honestly, but let's see if it works, let's see if it's worth it, let's just see everything. I have this, and you just open it. Okay, so there you have it, it's coming like this in a kit. So we have 3 products here. I think this should be the eyeliner, inside maybe they're gonna be the lashes, I guess, maybe a mirror, and this is the applicator. So let's just see what's inside this. I like the packaging, it's like a rose gold. Oh, okay, so there you have it. There you have one pair of lashes, and it's coming with a cute mirror. The lashes, I might say they look pretty good. They look very long though, quite dramatic. And then we have the eyeliner, which is the same color like a rose gold, so it's like a brush tape eyeliner. And then you have the applicator. So you get 3 products. This product, it's $27.99. So you get the eyeliner, the lashes, and the applicator.
3D magnetic eyelashes, ultra soft and long lashes, 100% handmade. Each eyelash has 5 magnets for a better hold. Universal fit for all eye sizes. Ultra lightweight, you might even forget you're wearing it, okay?
How this should work? Well, I guess they put some magnetic powder inside. The eyelashes, I don't know if you can see it, but the eyelashes, they have 5 small magnets. You're supposed to apply the eyeliner and then just like put the lashes there. So I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Volume Express. Okay, so I'm gonna get you closer, don't get scared. Okay, I hope this is zoomed in enough. So this is how my lashes look right now. These are my natural lashes with just a little bit of mascara. So we're gonna start by applying the eyeliner. So they say, shake the eyeliner bottle well before use. This is very important. And then apply 2-3 thick layers of magnetic eyeliner to the upper lid. Wait for it to dry for 1 minute. Okay, I can say looks like a thick consistency. It applies pretty good. Let's see how it's gonna dry. If it's like this, like shiny, or if it's gonna dry matte. So I'm gonna try to do a wing. I feel like it's not that easy to do a sharp wing with it, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry, like they say, like 1 minute. Now here we have the eyelashes, and I'm gonna show them again. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like 5 small magnets in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. This is like revolutionary. Okay, so there you have the lash, and there is no glue in it, okay? So let's just do it. Okay. Oh my god, it's sticking. Oh my god, it worked. Wait, let me make sure all the magnets are like right there. Oh my god, this looks good. Do you see this? That looks pretty. I mean, they are quite dramatic, I gotta say, but I like them. Oh my god. Okay, can we just like take it out and like put it right back on? Yeah, that looks good. I feel like just a little bit came on the magnets on the eyelash. Okay, let me apply on the other eye as well. Oh my god, guys, this is so cool. Usually I do prefer a matte eyeliner, but in this one it's kind of like a little bit shiny. Doesn't really matter that much because you're gonna put the eyelash there. So okay, and what about if I apply a second layer? And I'm gonna go with an eyeliner. It just make that eyeline look better. Okay, so let's do it again. Oh my god, you guys, this looks so pretty. Now let's put the other eyelash too. Okay, let me just put it with my hands. Okay, so there you have it. How do you guys like it? I think it looks cool and it's perfect. I'm very impressed. I'm shocked. I kind of expected of this to work, but it was just much more easier than I was expecting to. And if you follow the instruction, I applied 2 layers. I think even 1 layer is enough. Now we're gonna do a test. We're just gonna take a hair dryer and we're just gonna pretend that it's windy. Nothing happened. Yay! Another thing that I did just the second that I got this, I was like, you know what, maybe this eyeliner will work with some other eyelashes, like the magnetic eyelashes that they were popular before this idea. Like you have a false lash on top and one under, like they have magnets. Those magnets, they are supposed to be on top and under of your own eyelashes. I tried them, of course, and it didn't work. I think it's just a pain in the ass. So I went in drugstore and I bought this Ardell magnetic eyelashes, and that's the system I was telling you about. I just want to see if I can use this with this magnetic eyeliner. Take one of them because they all kind of look the same. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna try to apply this. Okay, let's just try and see what happens. Okay, it stays, it works. The problem is they are a little bit too curved. They kind of look like too round on my eye. That doesn't look good. Okay, what if we apply another one? So let me just apply one more. Okay, no. That looks like I have bad false lashes. Let's try again. Let's give it another chance. I don't know, I have mixed feelings. Like it works, but it just doesn't stay right. So if you look at this shape, the lashes go too down. They're not flattering. They just don't look flattering on the eye. Maybe there might be some other magnetic eyelashes there that they will look better, but I don't think this is one of them. Okay guys, this was my review about the magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit. This is the brand Asavea. You can find them on Amazon. Some other brands that they sell these lashes are Moxie Lash and Lash Liner. So these are the first brands that I saw selling this system of eyelash and eyeliner, and they are more pricey, but they might have, I don't know, the style of the lashes might be different. I'm not sure, I didn't try them. So this one, it's $27 and those one are $60, $55, $60, $70, something like that. Conclusion, do they work? Yes. Is it worth it? My opinion, yes. It's just an easier system to apply false lashes. They survive the wind test. I'm not sure how many hours they're gonna last, but I'm gonna give more details in the description box below. Remember that these lashes are reusable. They don't say up to how many times. It should be at least 5-6 times. I think if you clean them well after you reuse them, they're gonna be good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me. And thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time of being here with me. Let me know how do you like these lashes, and let me know if you will try this. Don't forget that I'm posting one video every week, but just to make sure that you're gonna be one of the first to come and see my new videos, just ring the notification bell. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye! I'm sorry for the noise that you hear. When you apply the... Oh my god, stop it. Okay, we're gonna wait for that.